success, you see, like, it has this right here, like you push it down and it drops the mag, and it also has like a safety right here. Where is it? Right here. Right now it's on safety, so you can't pull the trigger or cock it back. So you can twist that upwards and then do it. And twist it up for y'all. There. And it comes with 400 white BBs, 6mm, and it shoots great. So here you go.
Yo no lo recomiendo. Se hizo pedazo a solamente 2 pies de altura, que una niña de 1 año la agarró en sus manos, se le cayó a 2 pies de altura, no más. Y se rompió. Y más nunca se ha podido arreglar porque se le partieron las piezas adentro.
The mag release, this right here, is super loose and the mag keeps falling out, so you have to like put tape around it. So